Forget everything you thought you knew about barndominiums, because there's a new style taking over, and it's not from Texas. Well, okay, it is from Texas, but the look, that's straight from the land of Vikings, minimalism, and ridiculously cozy winters. Here's a wild fact for you. Scandinavian homes are designed to maximize daylight during winters with only a few hours of sunshine. That's why they have those massive windows. We're talking nearly 3 times larger than what you'd find in a typical American house. And here's the kicker. You can build one of these Nordic beauties on American soil under $220,000 in 2026. Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to get that Scandinavian look without the Scandinavian price tag, plus real US cost data you can actually use. Let's get into it. So what exactly makes a barndominium Scandinavian? It's not just about throwing in some IKEA furniture and calling it a day. Trust me, I've seen that fail. The Nordic design philosophy is all about simplicity, natural materials, and functionality. Think light woods like pine or birch, white walls that bounce light around like crazy, and black accents that create that dramatic contrast we all secretly obsess over. But here's the secret that most people miss. The indoor-outdoor connection is everything. Floor-to-ceiling windows, sliding glass doors that open up to nature, and that seamless flow between inside and outside. One architect described it as combining ruggedness and refinement. And get this, that iconic dark exterior you see on so many of these homes, it's often made using Yakisugi, a Japanese technique of charring wood to preserve it. The process actually strengthens the wood and makes it naturally fire-resistant. And here's another jaw-dropper. A standing seam metal roof, which is standard on these homes, can last 40 to 70 years. That's not a roof you replace, that's a roof you pass down to your kids. Oh, and the Scandinavian design is actually perfect for barndominiums because both styles prioritize open space, natural light, and functional simplicity. They're a match made in design heaven.
Now, the million-dollar question, can you actually build one of these on American soil for under 220 grand? Let's look at real examples. Take the 5-bedroom Nordic barndominium from Design with Frank. We're talking 2,545 square feet, black vertical pine siding, standing seam metal roof, and that double-height vaulted living space we all drool over. The ground floor alone is 1,575 square feet with an open concept kitchen, living, and dining area. But here's the thing, this isn't just some random blueprint. It was actually built by a contractor who acted as his own general contractor and finished on budget. And we're talking snowy Canadian winters here, so this thing is built to last. Same principles apply for US climates. Then there's the Hazelwood plan, 2,332 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with that stunning 2-story great room. And get this, vertical wood siding with dark board and batten details that scream Nordic simplicity. Or check out the Zen Prairie, 1,941 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, and a 900 square foot garage that's perfect for that workshop or studio space you've been dreaming of. Now, here's what I love about these plans. They're all designed to be energy efficient, which means lower utility bills year-round. Those big windows I mentioned earlier, they're strategically placed to capture passive solar heat in winter while staying shaded in summer. It's not just beautiful, it's smart. Okay, let's get into the real numbers for 2026, and this time we're talking American dollars on American soil. In the US, most Scandinavian-style barndominiums fall between $140 and $190 per square foot, depending on finishes and where you're building. Now, you might be doing the math in your head right now. 1,600 square feet times $140 is $224,000. That's already over our $220K promise before we even talk about land or permits. So let me be upfront with you. The $220K budget assumes a few things. A modest footprint, think 1,400 to 1,500 square feet of finished space. Standard finishes, polished concrete floors instead of hardwood, IKEA cabinetry instead of custom millwork, favorable local labor costs, so maybe not building in downtown Aspen, and here's the big one. In many cases, you're acting as your own general contractor or completing some work yourself. That's how you make the numbers work. That's the difference between a dream and a reality.
Here's a surprising fact. The post-frame construction method used for barndominiums actually saves you 15 to 20% compared to traditional stick framing. Why? Because you're using fewer materials and less labor. The metal roof and siding go up fast. We're talking days instead of weeks. To hit that $220K target, here's where your money goes. $85,000 to $95,000 for the shell and structure. $40,000 to $50,000 for mechanicals, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, and $40,000 to $50,000 for interior finishes. That leaves you about $20,000 to $30,000 for site prep and foundation work, depending on where you're building. And don't forget, the Scandinavian design inspiration comes from Norway, but the building is all American. We're just borrowing their aesthetic, not their construction costs. The cost-saving tricks. Here are 3 cost-saving tricks that make the $220K budget actually work in America. Number 1, polished concrete floors. They're durable, they're modern, they look amazing, and they cost about $3 to $5 per square foot, compared to $8 to $15 for hardwood. On a 1,500 square foot home, that's a savings of $7,500 to $15,000. Number 2, IKEA kitchen cabinets. I know, some people turn their noses up, but listen, their high-end lines are solid wood fronts with soft close hardware, and they cost a fraction of custom cabinetry. Plus, they install fast, which saves on labor. Number 3, act as your own general contractor. This is the big one. GCs typically charge 15 to 20% of the total build cost. On a $220K project, that's $33,000 to $44,000 you keep in your pocket. Yes, it means more work and more responsibility, but it also means the difference between building and not building. And here's a bonus tip. Buy your materials directly from lumber yards and metal suppliers instead of going through a big box store. You can save 10 to 15% just by cutting out the middleman. So, here's the bottom line. Scandinavian barndominiums under $220K aren't a myth. They're real, they're beautiful, and the designs are out there waiting for you right here in America. Here's what I want you to remember. That $220K number is about the structure, the shell, the finishes, the mechanicals. It does not include land, utility hookups, or permits, which can add $20,000 to $40,000 depending on where you are. But if you're smart about your choices and willing to do some of the work yourself, this budget is absolutely achievable. The key is prioritizing what matters, that open concept living space, the natural light, and those clean Nordic lines. You can always add the fancy finishes later. If you want to dive deeper, check out the floor plans I mentioned, especially the Nordic 5-bedroom design that's actually been built. And here's a question for you. Would you go full black exterior like the Scandinavians, or stick with white siding for that classic look? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more affordable housing inspiration, because your dream home shouldn't break the bank. I'll see you in the next one.